What's wrong, Bennett?
You got the hiccups
You the hiccups again?
again. Yeah. I don't know. Oh.
That was just a little one.